Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am heading to Ikea today. Not that I want to, because I really don't want to be out around everybody, but I need to go grab something so I can put up my backdrop and make it look a little bit better in my videos for you guys. So I need to go in and grab that and back out right quick. I'm going to try to vlog as much as I can for today, just to show you my little shopping trip and see how busy the stores are. So I hope you enjoy and chat to you in a little bit. So here I am on my way to Ikea. Hopefully it's not too busy. It looks kind of busy. I am being safe as much as I can. So hopefully this will be okay. Here is my new curtain rod that I'm getting. Hey guys, so sorry about the sun on the bottom part of my face, but I just got out of a store called Kent and I just had to go get screws for the curtain rod so I can put it together as soon as I can. And I went to go video after I left Ikea, but when I opened the back hatch to my SUV, everything started to blow everywhere. I actually had to go underneath the car to grab a piece of paper that blew under there. So I wasn't able to show anything. So here's the rod that I got. Hopefully this all looks nice once I get it up. I'm so excited. So here is the store that I just went into and bought some wall mounts and screws for the curtain. So this is our local Kent store, which is like 2 minutes from my house. There, so yeah, so I'm not far from home. So I just need to run home now and get Mark to do this for me, so I can get it done. That's about it. So I will show you what it looks like once it's up. So Mark is trying to put up my backdrop for me. So he's going to show us how it's done. He already screwed one part in. Whoa, I will show you guys. So I just went to Ikea, as you guys already seen, to get this. So one part is up in there. This wall here is only a little over 9 feet wide, I do believe, or it is 9 feet. So the backdrop is 8 feet. So, oh, don't fall. My room is kind of a little bit of a mess at the moment, but once we get this fixed up, I can actually decorate and straighten up things a little better. Let me get the screw.
I have another one in my pocket for now.
Oh, okay.
Well, your video came. Can you want to draw on, please? Thank you very much.
Don't drop this screw.
Try not to. Oh, she dropped.
There.
Okay, I need another screw, baby.
So here is our finished product of the backdrop up on the wall. Slowly getting my desk cleaned off and getting all the junk out. Here is what we are cooking for our supper. It is stir-fry veggies with some steak. Yummy, yummy.